Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to connect MA2 to Resolume Arena. We connect these two devices with Ethernet, and now we must go to Setup, MA Network Control, and create a session. We have IP address 20010. We see it's here. Okay. 20010 and 255. Okay. Okay. And setup MA network protocols outnet. Here we go, yes. Output broadcast and click altnet output active, and we can see that our altnet is running. And now go to Resolume. We have IP address 20020 and submask 255.00. Okay, and now we must connect it preference, new input in here, and we must choose universe. It will be 5 because 0 it's 1 and goes on, 4 it's 5, and channel 1 universe 5. Choose our network card, goes here. Okay, and go to the shortcut, edit DMX, right click, clear. Okay, right click in here, create. It will be first channel and this will be second channel. And now we go to our MA setup, patch, edit player, name it Resolume, and make 2 dimmer channels. Quality is 2, channel ID 100, and the universe 5.1. Please. Okay. Yes. And we have our dimmer channels. Click OK. Channel 100 through 101. Store here. I did something wrong. Okay, delete. Resolume. Dimmer channels. Quality 2. Okay, quality 1. Channel 100. 3. no, 5, 1, this, and add it here, dimmer, channel 101, okay, save, and go 100, store here. Okay, and 101, store it here. And we have our first channel in 5 universe and second channel in our 5 universe. We go up at 100 and we can see that our video is running on the first one. We can store it right here. Okay, and the second one at 100, store it here. And we can see that this is our first video and this is our second video. If you want to make it off, select this piano and piano, and we can turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on and turn off. Thank you for watching.